Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create an MCC account. Alright, let's begin. To get started, open your browser and search for Google Ads Manager account. Click on the first URL titled Manage Clients and Campaigns with Manager Accounts. Once you're on the page, click the Go to Manager Accounts button or select Get Started. Next, fill in your account display name. For example, I will use my name Ariana. After that, choose your account type. You will be asked whether you want to manage your own accounts or other people's accounts. I will select Manage Other People's Accounts. Then, you will be asked to choose your billing country. For this example, I will select Bangladesh. For the time zone, choose Bangladesh's time zone and set the currency to US dollar. Once you've filled in the information, check the box to confirm you are not a robot. Finally, tap on Submit. And just like that, your MCC account is created. Now, I'm going to show you the dashboard. You will be redirected to your Google Ads Manager account, where you can start managing clients and campaigns. So that's basically how you can create an MCC account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.